Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what the different lights mean on your Dolce Gusto Mini Me. This might help you if you're trying to investigate different faults. So if it's on green, that's good. That means the machine is up to temperature and it's ready to make a coffee. If it's a quick flashing red, what that means is that you haven't got this inserted. So watch this now. If I try to turn it on, you can see now it's got a quick flashing red light. So there's not really much you can do to fix this because it works not via a little micro switch, it actually is magnetic. So unless this is broken at the corner here, the chances are you're going to have to take apart the machine in order to fix it. So if we get ourselves a little magnet, you will see on this corner here that it sticks. Yeah, and now when we go to put this in the machine, you will see that as soon as we put it in, it goes back to a green light. But we can mimic the same with a magnet. So if I go to turn it on again, you can see that it's a flashing red light. But if I just hold this in the bottom right hand corner here, you can see that that will go to green if I get it the right way around. There you go, you can see it's gone to green now. Yeah, so that's how that one works. Now that was the fast red flashing light, but if you see a slow red flashing light, it purely means it's coming up to temperature. So you might have this after you've made a cup of coffee, or when you initially turn it on, it will blink red slowly for about 30 seconds to a minute while it comes up to temperature. So watch this now, I'm just putting cold water through. Can you see that's the slow red light? So slow red light just means it's coming up to temperature. If you have a flashing green light, it means you've accidentally put it into descale mode. So when the machine's off, if you were to hold this down for 5 seconds, you will see it will come to a flashing green light. That means it's in descale mode. And the last one is when it flashes red and green, and that simply means you're out of water. So if I empty out the tank at the back, and turn it on, you will see that after a few seconds it will go to red and green. There we go, red and green. So that's the 5 different lights on this coffee machine. Green means it's ready to go. Slow flashing red means it's coming up to temperature. Fast flashing red means the tray's not in or you've got an issue with the tray. Flashing green light means that you've put it into descale mode, and if it's red and green flashing, it means that the water's not coming through. So it might give you an idea about how to fix different faults on this machine. Thanks for watching.